Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mathtics. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can create a new Instagram account.
Let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up Instagram. Here, you can see create new account option on the bottom of the screen. Simply you need to tap on it and you need to create a username here and it is notified that you can change this at any time. Here on the screen, you can see that I have already created a username and .rh00. Tap on next and you need to create a password here which must be at least 6 letter or number, and once you have created a password you can recheck your password by tapping on the show option on the password next to it like I like icon, and simply you can recheck your password again and you need to tap on next. After you have tap on next, save your login info will be appeared of this new account. If you want to save, then simply you need to tap on save. If you don't want to save, then simply tap on not now. And now you need to set up your birthday here. Once you have set up your birthday, you need to tap on next. You need to enter your mobile number or you can sign up with email too. If you want to sign up with email, tap on sign up with email and enter your email. For now, I am simply adding my mobile number. Once you have entered mobile number and tap on next, you can see agree to Instagram term and policy. Simply by following this or going through all this policies, you can simply tap on I agree. Once you are done with that, you will be access to this add a profile picture page where you can simply tap on add picture and add your profile picture, or simply you can skip. And now you have already created an Instagram account. You can get Facebook's audition to find people you know from the Facebook with account center. You can tap on continue or simply you can tap on skip. Tap on skip now. You can sign your contact to find your friends or simply skip this step. And you can simply tap on your profile to invite friends to follow you, or if you want to skip then tap on skip. Tap on arrow like button and now you are welcome to the Instagram and created your Instagram account. You can check your profile here. You can edit profile afterwards. So if you like this video useful then hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.